Hey everybody, so today's video is going to be an eye look video. So this is mainly about the eyes. I'm not going to be doing the rest of my makeup in this video. This is just about how to get this eye look and basically what I did to achieve it. If you want to see me do the rest of my makeup, I have other videos on my channel and I have more videos coming soon. This is mainly about the eye look. So I already have the eye look done in this eye right here. This is a neon green and pink vibes look that I did. I think it was about a week ago. I did it on my Instagram, and I also did it for a challenge where you were only supposed to use a certain amount of colors that you picked instead of a cup, and I picked 4. I picked green, pink, red, and green, pink, red, and black. And this is the look that I did right here. And this video was actually requested by London. Hey London, my friend London. And there it is right there. Right there. And I went ahead and did it on one eye so that I could just show you guys how I did it over do it over here. And it's pretty simple. I mean, I know this looks crazy and like vibrant. 4 colors. Okay, so I already have primed my eyes. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, which I actually think I'm gonna figure out another one to use, because even though I like this primer, it's not that amazing. It's just a primer. Anastasia Beverly Hills has been getting into a lot of mess lately, and I really don't like what's been going on, what I've been seeing from the brand. So that is the only Anastasia product aside from my blush that I don't even use. I use this biiiiitch Cosmetics blush, but I use a blush from Anastasia that I use, and I don't use it. So like, I only have 2 products from them. That's really good, because I don't think I want to use anything from them from now on, because I don't like how they handled. If you don't know what's going on, you can search it up, but yeah, I just don't like when brands get like that. I know it's like cancel culture is like a mess, but like, I don't know. Especially when brands fuck people over for so long, it's pretty messed up. But I primed with that, and then I also have tape, which is right here. This is from Dollar Tree, just a regular matte tape. I use the matte tape because I can see better. And I just put it here and put it up so that everything's swooping up for me. Like it makes my face look like it's going up. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the look. The palettes that I used for that look are the Festival palette by Juvia's Place and the Starry eyeshadow palette. The brand is called Starry, but this is what it is. It's a neon palette, and I use this green right here and a little bit of this this is like a more neonish greenish yellow. It pulls more green for some reason, and then I'm also going to use the black from in here. This is a really cute palette. It was only $5 when I bought it, so that's a really good deal. But I'm also gonna add in this one. This is the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place, right here. So beautiful. I really want to use that bubblegum pink because I already used it for a look that I did, like a cotton candy look, and that came out so good. And I also just used it right here, and it just works. It works with the rest of the colors. So I'm gonna be using, this is a Japanese brush, what I used for my eye primer, which I actually think I need to go back and smooth it out one more time. Yeah, this is not Morphe. I don't use Morphe anymore. But yeah, this is a Wet n Wild brush that I'm going to use for this pink. So I'm dipping into this one right here. It's pink. And I'm going to go ahead and just start putting that in this area. And I'm just doing tiny swirls. I'm not doing big ones, I'm doing tiny swirls. Let me go ahead and move this way so that you can see more. Much better. I might have to turn the... no, I guess that worked. I was going to turn the ISO down a little bit. But I'm putting the pink up in here. I blend weird, but I also like blend for a really long time. I don't like to do too much up in here, because I notice that when I do that, it looks really heavy. I tried my best not to do it over here. I think I did an okay job. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop here so that I can do the neon color over here. I mean, this pink looks pretty neon. But yeah, and I'm also listening to music if you can hear it. I need to because the house is really quiet right now. And then we're gonna go in with the biiiiitch right here. This darker pink from the Festival palette. And I'm gonna go ahead and knock a little bit of that off. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add that into this. And I think that just like makes it look even more just vibrant. Yeah, so I'm putting that, and then I'm gonna go in with the red from that palette, and it is a red called Izafa, right up in here. And that's red, like really red, and I love it so much. That's like my favorite red ever. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. brush. This is the e.l.f. blending brush right here. These are only like $1, I think, at the store. You can get them at Big Lots. I'm dipping into the red. And the music just stopped. Don't stop. Okay, thank you. And I'm going in with the red in the corner. The outer corner, the outer V. And I'm just keeping it kind of low. I don't want it to go everywhere. I'm dragging it around like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the black. I have the pinks down. So I'm using the black from the Starry palette. Right there. And I'm just going to keep it down here. Drag it out here just a little bit. But mainly going to keep it up in this area. Right up in here. Just making sure that matches. Alright, so now we're going to get into that green. And the green, I used this NYX brush right here. And I dipped into this green. Right there. And I just coated this bitch up. Like that. I didn't tap anything off because this, I want this like really just like pigmented. And I get it by stamping it in. Like that. And this is a really beautiful palette. And then I'm dragging it from here up and just a little bit into up in here so that it blends upward. Blending into the brow just a little bit. And then I'm gonna coat the rest of this with the green. Damn. So you don't even need that much of the green, like it works really well. Then I went in with a green shimmer right here. This is a green shimmer from the biiiiitch Cosmetics palette that I had. I depotted it because it was discontinued and I just didn't feel like keeping it, because like if I use it and then I have to tell people what it is and then they can't go buy it, it's like, you know. So I just got rid of the palette. I gave it to my sister, but I took the colors out that I liked. So that's what I did with this one. I took this green out. And then Colourpop. This is the Super Shock Shadow and Ladybird. This is my favorite Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. I think I've only tried like 3 of them, but like this is a really good one. And I go ahead and do the same thing. Dip it into here and coat it over the entire green area. And then what I really like about this is that it's not pigmented like as if like a color. It adds like a glittery, really beautiful, just like iridescent effect. But it's like a nude tone. Like the glitters are like, yeah, like whitish cream color. But it just adds something into it, and I love it. And then I go ahead and take off the tape. Do the reveal. Bam. Yeah, that looks cute. Then clean up, everything that I did. Just so you guys know, some of these shadows, the pink ones mainly, stain. So if you do use the Juvia's Place palette, just know that. But like, the staining's worth it, especially when you get like amazing looks like this. And also, we're during quarantine, right? Is anybody going anywhere? I know a lot of people don't do the makeup under here. You have to. Like, I know, like, to each their own, but like, you have to do the makeup underneath the eye. You have to do your lower lash line. Like, I know some people, it bothers them like going like this and they go, ugh, but like, get used to it. Because there's something about it looking unfinished. This is a pet peeve of mine, okay? Like, and do your makeup however the hell you want. It's just a pet peeve of mine that when people don't finish under here, like, that really bothers me for some reason, because I'm like, it doesn't, like, the whole look doesn't come together like that. I probably sound really just like petty or whatever, but like, come on, like, we all have our little pet peeves that we notice with makeup. That is one of mine. I don't like when people don't finish it, like, you know, put everything together down here, because it looks weird. And then they don't, sometimes they don't like how they look with it, and it's like, well, do your makeup under here. So I'm just cleaning it up over here. And I know it might seem lazy for me not to do the rest of my makeup, but this is mainly about the eyes. Like, the rest of the makeup doesn't matter, and also it's really hot right now. And I actually don't mind this. Like, yeah. So this is the look. Yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, so that is my look. I really hope you guys enjoyed that today. Hope you guys got some inspiration maybe to do something a little bit more crazy and vibrant. It is going to be summer in like a couple of days. Why not go all out and just do insane stuff? I think I'm going to do a couple of more looks like this on my channel with different colors and just have fun. And yeah, so I really like how this came out. But yeah, so thank you guys again for watching. I will see you all next time. Okay, I'm going to go clean this up and then go to sleep. And by go to sleep, I mean probably marathon Gravity Falls on Disney Plus all night until my eyes burn. Yeah, alright. Bye.